Hello everyone, Simon here. Welcome back to Prey. We have made it back to the lobby. Well, kind of. Not quite there yet. I can get around the... Oh, interesting. I can get out of the tube. Not that there's anything interesting out here. In fact, can't get back in. Transstar main lift. Now serving Arboretum. Let me just press the button. Do we expect things to spawn? Let me get behind cover. No? I'm surprised that there's nothing in the elevator. There's comfy chairs in the elevator. Alright, to the lobby. The elevator ride is not so long that you need a comfy chair, right? No. Alright, back in the lobby. Let me just look around.
Good evening, Talos. Registration for the Talos Employees Talent Show is now open. See Galen in the crew quarters front desk to reserve a slot.
Ah. So if there are enemies, I don't see any. Let's assume there aren't any enemies. Unusual though, huh? No new enemies have spawned. Did I never grab this? Okay, we're going up to there to get the decryption key.
Welcome. Maybe I can help you.
Or maybe you can. Right, nobody here. I can't get in there. Secure pharmaceutical. Is there really no other way in? Secure pharmaceutical. No?
Hello, are you here for an appointment?
There's no way into secure pharmaceutical from here.
System alert.
Okay. What's in here? No Typhon, no mimics. Okay. I can hack that, but maybe I can find the key code. Cellular society. Yet the effects of medical technology on society's norms can be more pronounced. To cite a recent example, one only has to recall cigarette use was often frowned upon as a habit until advances in the food industry that allowed for consumable microspheres that captured and expelled cancer cells from the body. Simultaneously, both the fear of cancer and the stigma attached to smoking vanished within a generation. Now smoking is perceived as no more harmful than drinking a soda. Ah. You can cure cancer, and so you decide to smoke. And so cancer is now harmless because you can cure it. And so people just get cancer for no reason. And then they just cure it afterwards. Really? BIOS decryption key. DeVries' decryption key. Oh wait, no, DeVries. Listen, no, this is 7324. Remember in the padded cell, the guy had written 7324 in here. 7324, and there it is. Nice. Listen to DeVries' message. Audio log. How long ago was that? Oh, this one. Morgan's breakdown.
Alex! Damn it. Hold on. I'm encrypting the rest of this. Okay. Dr. Cole already wiped the recording of Morgan's breakdown off his computer. The last copy is hidden in his office. I'm not going back. You'll have to get it yourself. A-C-B-A-C. Good luck.
ACBAC? Is it a piano? Search Dr. Cole's office? ACBAC. Morgan's psych evals. Hendrik, I need you to remove all sensitive materials regarding the psych evals immediately. Of special importance are Morgan's log sessions. I need those materials in my office. From this point forward, only speak through an encrypted transcribe. I've sent you the decryption key. You should be able to download it from your workstation. Subject for quarantine. Hendrik, Trevor Young is one of our scientists. He was exposed to our inner containment area without proper protection. He's gone through observation in psychotronics and had his most recent neuromods removed as a precaution. We would like to keep him under more standard quarantine until we can be certain there are no lingering psychological effects. Work with Dr. Cole on this, thanks. Alex Yu. So I killed Hendrik. Right? No, I killed Trevor Young. He was mind controlled? But I think there's a way to break the mind control without killing him. Anyway, I killed him earlier. ACBAC? Oh, is it this one? Save. A C B A C, and there's the save.
Welcome. Maybe I can help you.
Matthias Cole. Listen to your psych evaluation. Session log Morgan Yu.
You seem frustrated.
I have months that are just gone. I've been listening to the logs, reading the research, playing catch-up.
Do you know how many times we've had this conversation? This is the 5th time.
Does it always go the same way?
Not always.
What does that mean?
What do you think it means?
Well, I think it means you should be concerned as my counselor.
You left yourself a message. Would you like to listen to it?
No.
I think it would help.
I said no, that's not me.
Why do you say that?
I don't know, I just know.
You agreed to this. This was all your idea. Yours and Alex's.
I didn't agree to any of this, all right? That Morgan is not me. I would never... Do you know what's going on in psychotronics? Do you?
If I did, I couldn't say. You know that.
What do you know about the Typhon?
We shouldn't talk about them, not without your brother present.
Them. You do know, you snake. How can you sit there?
Morgan, take a deep breath. Here.
I don't want a pill. I want this station shut down. I want Earth.
Morgan.
I said no!
Okay. I'm going to call Alex.
I strongly object to what I did in the past. I don't know what I did in the past, but whatever it is, I strongly object to it.
Welcome. Maybe I can help you.
Alright, so that's his backstory, right? That doesn't actually help me. I do have an office up there. Should I go to my office? There's the hardware labs, so we have a side quest in the hardware labs. Alright, let's go back to my office. I don't think there's any point, but let me just go back up there. Recycle some things, I guess. There might be more stuff in my office, who knows. I definitely know there are more enemies in the hardware labs. Maybe there aren't. I've been there. No, I've been there already. Hey, January.
I have more autonomy than a typical operator. The contents of the video are sensitive. Only a flesh and blood person could handle the responsibility, I presume. Simmons installed blank neuromods on you. That's why you could remember the previous day's test and escape.
Installed blank neuromods? That's why I could remember the previous day's test and escape. Simmons installed blank neuromods?
You instructed me to sabotage the test procedures if Alex ever failed to release you, or if the Typhon organisms escaped containment. Both happened.
Right.
I have your voice. It's a tactic to ease your natural suspicion. I'm sure you realize this. I mention it so that you'll know I'm earnest.
Uh-huh.
Every neuromod takes a snapshot of your brain and models what it would look like if you learned something new. Then it makes those changes. Billions of connections remapped in a matter of minutes. All made possible by our friends from outer space.
Mr. Tucker's office is on the 2nd floor of the lobby.
Uh-huh.
I'll look for more neuromods while you're gone.
Okay. Right. Recycling. I believe that's everything. Right. So, back to the hardware labs. So I've been in there, been out, went back in and cleared everything. Do they or do they not respawn a third time, all the enemies? I think so far every area had enemies spawn twice. Right, there's the first round of enemies, and then I leave, and I go back in, and then there's like the second round of enemies. I don't think I've ever had a third round of enemies spawn in a place. Let's see what happens when we come in here, right? Search the black box lab. Nope, there are new enemies again. Is this the third time I've been in here? And there are new enemies. I'm not gonna clear the place, I don't think. I'm just gonna go to my objective, right? That thing's huge. The nightmare is hunting you. Evade or kill the nightmare. Okay. Or I killed it. That's like a boss? Alright.
Hello. Good to see you again, Dr. Yu.
I just killed a really, really big Typhon. I mean, it didn't get past the door? Did it get stuck on the door or something? I'm not sure what happened there.
Hello. Nice to see you.
And it died in 5 shotgun blasts. Well, turret's gone. A Weaver.
Welcome. Maybe I
Scan complete.
can help you.
New psionic aptitude available.
And there's a cystoid nest. I believe Weavers are vulnerable to the Disruptor. I need to not hit the cystoid nest though. Guess it doesn't really matter. Good enough.
Hello. Nice to see you.
What happened to... Another cystoid nest in there. Another phantom?
Welcome. Maybe I can help you.
Where's the Weaver corpse? Oh, there it is. Alright, nice.
Hello. Good to see you again, Dr. Yu.
The nightmare wasn't that strong.
Diagnosing bruising, abrasions, fatigue. Nothing life-threatening. Please hold still. This will only take a moment. All done. You can fill out a service questionnaire at the front desk.
Like some of the other Typhon takes 2 or 3 shots to kill. And then the Nightmare took 5. So it's like twice as much health as the other guys.
Welcome. Maybe I can help you.
Not really that much.
My mistake.
I was thinking maybe I should. Okay, I blew up most of them, I guess. Right, good enough. Maybe drink some water? Get my psi back, and also
Hello.
heal
Good
1
to see
health.
you again, Dr. Yu.
Now, wasn't there water somewhere around here? Maybe further along? This was like a... There it is. Nice. Etheric
Hello.
Phantom.
Nice to see you.
Let me get that Phantom first. Everything respawns all the time. Right, let me repair our armor.
Inspecting. Your suit integrity is compromised. Let me fix that. Ready complete.
Very nice. Right, loot that guy.
Moving.
Hello. Are you here for an appointment?
Grab that already. Alright, Black Box Lab. Cystoid nest. Blow that up. But also, Lane Carpenter is in there. Q-beam cell fabrication plan. And is that it? That's all I came here for, alright? Wait, isn't that an operator? But it's not like any of the other ones. Typhon lure, shotgun shells. Q-beam. Oh, black box. Oh. Military operators. That's what the black boxes are. Are we gonna have to fight these things later on? They're making military operators. Black Box Project. Black Box Q3 update backup file. Confidential progress report 10B3. Attention William Yu. Department Hardware Labs. Project Lead Lane Carpenter. Black Box Project. The Q-beam attachment for NCN-9 Black Box military operators is progressing ahead of schedule. Development on outstanding tasks have been broken down below. Micro-cooling plate optimization 87% complete. Recirculating ambient controls 70% complete. As you can see, we're nearly there. Once the cooling system has been optimized and migrated into the Q-beam firing mechanism, prototypes will be sent Earthside. Testing is proceeding as planned. Preliminary results show promising excitations in the molecular structure of energized systems. Live target not yet tested. So they put a Q-beam on an operator. Q-beam fabrication plan. A prototype directed energy weapon, a stream of volatile quasi-particles causes rapidly cascading excitations in energetic systems of matter to the point of rupture. I think I had that already. The Black Box Project, huh? Oh well, what could possibly go wrong? Okay, so I've gotten everything I need to get here. And everything else is back in the Talos lobby or beyond. Right, save. Let me go ahead and recycle. And I might think about crafting some shotgun ammo? Maybe. I think I have enough. But what am I carrying actually? I'm carrying 48 there, 23 there. I can carry more, right? If I'm gonna carry 2 stacks, I might as well carry 2 stacks. Which is to say, 90, so 180, and then that's 96. Extra grenades. Oh, I got a lot of exotic materials from the nightmare. Alright, so I have 71. Um, 83, 71, 83... It'll be 95? Right, 95. And then for the pistol, I have 116. 136. 166. So now I have almost 2 stacks there. Almost 2 stacks there. Nice. And we don't worry about... I guess I don't need the suit repair kit either. Doesn't really matter. Let's hold on to it for now. Okay, so far so good. And then we are going to drink water actually. Drink water, and then we're going back to the Talos 1 lobby.
Moving.
Hello, are you here for an appointment?
Coming back
Pardon
through
me.
here. Drink water. Alright, back to the lobby, and I will take a break here. When we come back, I think everything else is beyond the Arboretum. I think. I'm going to check the map when I come back, and we'll figure out what to do next, right? Okay, I will see you next time.